Welcome to the session on DBMS Architecture. We assume that you have understood the prerequisite topics, namely DBMS concepts and its advantages. This will help you in better understanding of this topic. In this session, we will discuss three-tier architecture of DBMS. In 1975, ANSYS Spark proposed this three-tier architecture for database management systems. External schema provides a separate view to different groups of users, where each view represents only a part of database. It allows users to access data in a customized manner based on their requirement. It is also used as security mechanism by hiding a part of data from a group of users. Conceptual schema provides the logical structure of the entire database. However, it does not define how data will store in a database. It defines what type of data can be stored by specifying data type and size. What type of data cannot be stored by specifying constraints, and what is the relationship among the data by specifying referential integrity. Internal schema provides physical representation of data. It defines how data is stored in the system and the storage space and index for the data. Let's have an example of three-tier architecture of DBMS. Consider a scenario of retail application system to better understand about various users of a database. Let us assume that there are three different users, namely customer, manager, and salesperson. Every user has a different set of requirements about the customer data. Like customer requires customer ID and name. Manager requires customer name and contact number. Salesperson requires customer name and gender. All these users map to the external schema. Hence, external schema supports end-user perception. At conceptual schema, database designer or programmer designs the columns and the definitions to be stored in tables, like customer ID, customer names, contact number, and gender columns are created in customer table. At internal schema, the information about the number of bytes required and the data storage location is present. We can clearly see that there are n external views for one conceptual schema and one internal schema. Thus, we have learned the three-tier architecture of DBMS.